Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're getting into something a lot of people are curious about, these micro-earning side hustles.
Specifically, a big one called CoinPayu.
Right, the paid-to-click platform.
Right.
So, the idea is you click some ads, you do these tiny little tasks,
And you earn tiny little bits of crypto, like, say, Bitcoin or Litecoin.
and our mission for this deep dive is really to figure out if it lives up to the hype. We've looked at user tests, payment proofs.
Yeah, we're trying to cut through the noise. Does it actually pay out, or is it, just another digital time sink?
Okay, so let's just jump right in then. The big question, is it legit?
Well, the sources say yes, but with a big asterisk. The term they use is partially legit.
Partially legit. What does that even mean in this context?
It means it does pay. That's the core thing. We
Yeah.
found, tons of evidence of successful withdrawals.
So people are actually getting their crypto out.
They are. There are even YouTube videos showing, like, live payment proof. You can literally watch someone do a task and then see the crypto hit their wallet.
Okay, so the money can move from the platform to you. That sounds promising.
It does.
But that's where things get complicated, right? Because if it pays, why are so many users still so frustrated?
Exactly. This is where the trust level just varies wildly, and we have to shift focus to the two biggest pain points that testers found. First, super low earnings, which, okay, that's kind of expected.
Right, it's a micro-task site. You're not getting rich.
But the second one is the big one. Major delays and some really strange technical problems.
Wait, okay, tell me about the technical problems. I saw something in the sources that it seemed impossible. User balances going negative.
Yeah. It's bizarre, isn't it?
How does that even happen? You click an ad, you're supposed to get a few Satoshis. How do you end up owing them money?
It raises a huge question about their system. So what seems to happen is a task gets credited, but then later on the advertiser might flag it as invalid or something.
Okay, a chargeback, basically.
Sort of. And instead of just reverting to zero, the system deducts the amount, and if you've already withdrawn it or used it, you actually go into the red.
That is a massive, massive red flag. And speaking of friction, what about the withdrawals? I heard those can be a headache too.
A big one. If the system flags your account for any reason, and it could just be an error, your payment can get held up for a long, long time.
Which is just devastating if you're, just trying to get your first little bit of crypto.
Absolutely. So this brings us to the really practical question for anyone listening who might still want to try it out.
Right. What's the bottom line advice here?
The bottom line is, do not treat this like a job or even a reliable income stream. It's a side hustle in the strictest sense of the word, a very, very tiny one.
Something to do for a few spare cents, basically.
Mm-hmm.
And it sounds like you have to be extremely careful.
You do. The vigilance on security is non-negotiable. The sources are really clear on this.
So what are the rules? The must-dos, if you're going to use it.
3 big ones. First, get your money out fast. As soon as you hit that minimum withdrawal threshold, pull it.
Don't let it build up on the platform.
Never. Second, use your own secure crypto wallet, one you control completely. Never treat the platform like it's your bank account.
And the third.
Just basic digital security. Keep your login info safe. It's obvious, but crucial.
So to sum this all up, it seems like CoinPayu, it's real. You can get paid in Bitcoin or Litecoin.
You can.
But the path to actually getting those coins it's slow, it can be really uncertain, and you have to be constantly on guard.
Which brings us to the final thought we really want to leave you with.
Go for it.
It's this. When you consider all the caution you need, the risk that your work won't even get credited, and the sheer frustration of slow withdrawals, does that tiny reward of a few cents in crypto actually justify your time and attention? Sometimes a low-risk, low-reward game has a hidden high cost, and that cost is your own frustration.